Hello guys, this is Kantayawbeth. Pakipunta mo sa ako ang nakuha karon sa Mardi Gras. Morning akong among nakuha karon oh. Kana siya first catch nako. First catch. Ayan. So nganlan ko ni og Mardi. Si Mardi na. Munay na ko anak ko nasagang nako. Kani my husband's first catch niya tong first time na mo nga dire nang nagkuan sa Mardi Gras. This one first day that we were here sa Mardi Gras. Ako kasagang anitanan kanes cardo. This one is like a pretzel, I guess. Here, pretzel. So, alright. So, kana na siya ang mga stock. So, there's more to that. This one is tonight ni nakuha ron aning sa akong bana yan nakuha niya naunay natog unsa pa na adili oh kani si Mutant Ninja Turtle makatingalin ni siya unsa ni siya high case. Si Playmates. May ang tag niya okay $7 ni siya. Kuan man ni siya. Kisa man ni si Libats or something. Libats. Okay. Here, hon. This is it's exactly like this. The guy grabbed it in my hands. Like this.
Hey. Oh yeah, that's the one that they threw to me.
Yeah. Yeah, the guy, that's a moon pie, so.
Yeah, I caught it without dropping it, so that's the only reason I kept it. Well, these are made in Chattanooga. I'm not big on moon pies. It just went over there and it like landed in my hand. I didn't even try for it.
Where's the mistake?
Oh, my.
This one you throw this out. And the garbage, I don't know what water is this.
Ooh, where did you get that?
I don't know. Uy, daghan man din.
I never picked that up. Yeah, those footballs are too bad. You gotta
Yeah,
clean all
I
that
know.
stuff.
Nice one.
You know, you need to give all that stuff out at like the church thing to the kids for the
Cups. Mardi Gras crab. Look.
Oh, you got a crab?
Yeah.
You caught a crab?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I didn't even see half the stuff you caught. You kept telling me to stand back, and you're the one that caught all the good stuff.
siya guys, ang akong nakuan na kuha. Sana hindi man yung makikita po eh. This one, may mga moon pie oh. Moon pie. Ano ang beads karon na nakuha. Dili kay siya daghan, pero daghan kog mga stuffed animals. So, ha?
They made in Chattanooga, not here.
So, mauna mga pangga ang akong nakuha karong gabi una sa last night na mo dire sa attending sa Mardi Gras in Alabama, Mobile, Alabama. So fun. Dara, si kani siya si dog nako nganlan ni nako niya og kuan. Daghan lan nako siya og Mardi, may dogi. Okay? Alright, mga pangga. See ya. Kantayawbeth, thank you for watching. And thank you for subscribing sa Mabinat Malusog group. And please do share, like my videos. God bless.